So this is the other unit. Again, I am not 100% sure what make it is because it does not have a data sheet, but it looks like a Heil or a Kenmore, or do I have a data sheet in here? I don't even remember if I grabbed the data sheet. But that's about all that's left of the Goodman. These are some car parts I'm also getting. I'm at a friend's commercial property right now. Protective gear. Nothing I am chopping up is toxic, but still not something I'd want to breathe in. Yeah, I'm assuming this is R22. It has a Gentech fan motor in it. Copeland recip compressor. Is there a... I don't even know. This one is definitely of a larger size than the Goodman. I did grab it, but it does not have a damn... Yeah, that is the... I actually found it, but there is no data sheet on there. Absolutely perfect. Mystery unit. But I am guessing Heil or Kenmore, Tempstar maybe. It generally has it does have that look to it. It kind of looks like a Goodman, but it doesn't. But I'd definitely say one of the ICP brands, and I'd go with 2 ton plus. It's definitely not a 1.5 ton. I've got 3 compressors here, 4 if you count the one that's in the unit, 5 if you count the little one in that window unit there. Yeah, almost done. I'll be back.